I am one of the voices from the light. You may call me the angel of light, for I am of the angelic kingdom. I come today to bring you a message of peace, a message of direction, and a message of guidance with love. I want to talk to you, all of you who are divine sparks of light, who wish to make your spark of light turn into a blaze of light, all of you who are on the path with light. I come to talk to you about the direction you are going and the choices that you are making. You wish to have light win over the dark. I am here to remind you of a different perspective that Larkma has shared with you before, but I wish to share it from the angelic view. And that is to remind you that the dark is simply part of the light. When you see everything as unity, dark exists peacefully beside light, and each has its own characteristics and its own way of balancing existence. When you see dark as something to be annihilated, exiled, overcome, something to be won against, you're entering into a realm of separation. I wish to encourage you to eliminate thoughts, feelings, and actions of separation. Your job is not to annihilate the dark. Your job is not to eliminate the dark. Your job is to help shine light into the dark. Help show the dark how to find its way back to unity. You are here living in a world that is full of separation and polarity consciousness, but your energies that are coming to you are encouraging to move towards unity consciousness. In order to move towards the unity consciousness of unconditional love, you must also choose to send love and light into the dark, giving it the opportunity to return to the light. Dark in its natural form is restive, peaceful, all-encompassing, and supportive of the light that is always present. But you have aligned in your thinking dark only with those things that are negative, harmful, moving away from unity and towards separation. We wish you to begin to think of light as the unity consciousness of unconditional love, and dark as a part of that unity consciousness that has mistaken its role and lost its way. If you attempt to join others to eliminate the dark, you are accentuating the energy of separation. If instead you join others in sending light into the darkness, you are joining the light and making it stronger and helping the dark find its way. You are living through a time of much chaos, much turmoil, and much of what needs to be rebalanced within your world. And yet, because this is a planet of choice, you always have a choice in every thought, every feeling, every action you take. If you choose automatically without thinking consciously and align with those who want to kill the dark, eliminate the dark, get rid of the dark, then you are empowering those energies to become stronger. When you align with the light and you send out unconditional love, no matter what you perceive as happening with the dark, no matter what is actually happening with the dark, sending it unconditional love is far more powerful than trying to eliminate it. Trying to set it as an opposite from the light and to fight it only accentuates the battle. Trying to send light into it and actually sending light into the dark empowers you, empowers all beings of light, and empowers the penetration abilities of light to reach into the darkness and call it home. You are all on a pathway of evolution, a pathway of ascension. If you're interested in what we say and interested in the angelic perspective, then you will call this forward in your own consciousness. You will change the way you think and the way you try to win this so-called battle of light against the dark. It is not a matter of white hats and dark hats. It is a matter of misaligned, lost children who are trying to take control with their tantrums, and those loving, guiding, open-hearted, unconditionally loving beings who are trying to invite them and guide them back home into a place of peace and a place of unity and a place of unconditional love. I am the angel of light, and I speak for all the angelic kingdom, and I also speak for many other beings of light, wishing to encourage you, for we all see that you are divine sparks of light. And as such, you are connected to the light always. You are connected to Source. You are part of us. As you recognize that within yourself, your power grows and you are more able to accomplish what you wish to manifest on your ascension journey. So send out love unconditionally, send out light into the darkness, and know, trust in your heart that you are making a difference, whether you can see it now or not. It does make a difference and it grows. It radiates everywhere. I leave you in love as the angel of light. Hi, I'm Dr. Pia Orlean. Please join me in the Voices from the Light's Cosmic Wisdom Guidance Sessions. Information for how to join is listed below.